What the fuck? Wow, that was hard. But anyway, what's up, you guys? I just got home from the gym. I was supposed to go to work in approximately 40 minutes. And something came to my door. I didn't think I was supposed to be getting these for 2 to 3 weeks. But I got the fog light bezels to go in the Audi S3. So today we're gonna be installing these, putting them inside. It's a really simple process. All you do is pop them in, pop them out. And yeah, I'm just basically really excited. So we're gonna put these in, and then I got some carbon door handles that we're also gonna be installing. Those are just covers. So they're just basically just stick-ons. So yeah, these will be really cool. So there's that. And bang, so let's go put all this on real quick. I got approximately 40 minutes to do so. So this is under 40-minute install. All right, so this is the before. There's chrome on it. I don't like it at all. Let me see if I can get that glare. There you go. Kind of takes the glare away, but there it is. Yeah, so basically we're just installing those. That's it. All right, so literally all you do is you put a little fry tool in there and you pop out, and that's it. So let's get this done. Put you on a bucket, just like that. The only thing is the stock ones are in there really, really good, so it takes a little bit of force to get these ones out. Just break that. Oh man, I need a stronger tool, but I don't have one. Oh my gosh, dude. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, we did it. We did it! Holy crap, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, I definitely just broke that, I think. Oh, yeah, no, I 100% just did. It's not good. All right, we got that one installed. My hand is in front of the camera so you guys don't see the glare, but dude, it looks so sick. It looks so much better. Sorry, my hand's right here, but wow, that looks so awesome. Here's it compared to this side, right? Dude, that looks sick. Nice. So I figured out it's easiest if you go, oh, I just put my knee in water. Oh, yo, what the fuck? Kablow. All right, so this one's literally just physically bending the, what did I do last time? Right here. Yeah, see, if you go from the bottom, everything's okay. Just kind of pull. And then let's try not to break this side this time. Like this. And then, please don't break. Ah, please don't break. That was a pain, bro. Please don't do that to me again. So they broke both off. They both broke off. Dude. Now they're stuck in there. Now I gotta ply them out again, dude. Oh my God. It still sucks. All right, that time was a lot easier getting them out. I got them out. You got your holes. Wait, sorry. I just put this one in. And after. Dude, that looks sick. All right, guys, check that out. Little carbon everywhere. Now you got carbon on the doors. Super cool.